Hey guys, Lady Lee here from Lady Lee's Home. In this video, we are going to make purple sweet potato soup. Super simple and filling and healthy and really beautiful because it gets that deep purple color from these gorgeous purple sweet potatoes. So I chopped some of the vegetables. I still need to work on the potatoes. So let's do that and I'll explain a little bit more as I do this. I have a ton of information on the blog and on YouTube here on purple sweet potatoes and some videos on growing them and harvesting them. They are an amazing survival crop. So if you're a homesteader and you trying to find a crop that can keep in storage for months, then purple sweet potatoes are amazing for that. Really easy to store them too, and they really last for a long time. Like these we harvested in the end of October, and they were literally just in the shed, not even in like a proper root cellar or anything, and it's like almost the middle of January now. So I will link to all the information that I have on purple sweet potatoes if you're interested in reading some more about it. I did not try this soup with regular sweet potatoes like the orange ones. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, but it's really delicious with the purple ones because they're not too sweet and they're very dense. Now, aside from the purple sweet potatoes, we're also going to need one purple medium red, I guess you call it, one medium red onion, and I have that here. I already diced it, and then 4 cloves of garlic also diced. The recipe is on the blog and I will link to it in the description, so you can print it if you want to and just get all the measurements for everything there. We're gonna need some butter to fry the onion in, and some salt and black pepper and chicken flavoring, like the Knorr chicken flavoring. I will link to that below too, or all of this is basically in the post on the blog. Okay, so I did the onion and the garlic. The potatoes, you want to dice them. They don't have to be super small pieces. This is good, so they cook pretty quickly. But that's what I'm gonna do with all the rest. We're gonna use about 3 pounds of purple sweet potatoes. So 3 pounds of purple sweet potatoes, 1 medium red onion, and 4 cloves of garlic. And then just seasonings. That's pretty much all there is in this soup. I'm using a Dutch oven, but you can use any soup pot that you want to use. We put it on the stove top and turn the heat to medium high. Let it heat for a moment and then add the butter. Let that melt just for a minute or so, and then go ahead and add the diced onions. We don't need to fry them until they're brown, just a few minutes to kind of make them soften a little bit. Then we will add the garlic and stir that in and cook for a couple of minutes until fragrant. And after that, we're gonna add the potatoes and stir that in with the garlic and onion. We let the potatoes cook for a few minutes before adding the water. And then we'll give it one more good mix, cover the pot, and bring it to a boil. Once the soup is boiling, it's time to season it. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons, a tiny bit more, of chicken flavoring and some salt, about a teaspoon or a little bit more. I usually do add about a teaspoon of black pepper, but I ran out of black pepper, so I left that out this time and it turned out just great. Lower the heat just a little bit and cover the pot and let it cook until the potatoes are soft, probably somewhere between 15 to 25 minutes. Once the potatoes are soft, you can turn off the heat and use an immersion blender to blend the soup. I usually like it pretty smooth, so I blend it all the way. If you want to leave some chunks in it, that's an option too. And that's pretty much it. That's it, you guys. I hope you can see this beautiful deep purple color of this gorgeous soup. And really, it's really simple to serve it. All I do is just scoop a little bit into a bowl, and then let me move the camera here, and then just add a little bit of cream. And mix it in. And that's it. So, you can, at the end, just correct seasonings if you want. If it's too thick for you, then you can boil some water and just add it as the potato cook. But this recipe is super simple and it's a delicious soup. Really fun to serve at parties because everybody are kind of wondering about the color, and it's a good conversation starter. And that's it, just delicious. Again, the recipe is linked in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. It's so good. This is dinner tonight.